Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use the favorite drink anime Vanguard, only way strategy. This unique approach blends your personal style with powerful card interactions, creating a truly engaging and effective gameplay experience. We will dive into selecting your key units and understanding their abilities to maximize your advantage on the battlefield. Get ready to elevate your game with this distinct method. First, let's build your deck around your chosen favorite drink and anime theme. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a cohesive strategy. Pick cards that not only look the part, but also offer powerful abilities that work well together. Aim for a balance of offensive and defensive units, ensuring your deck has a solid foundation for any challenge. Remember, theme plus power equals victory. Next, mastering your card synergies is essential for this only way strategy. Understand how your Vanguard interacts with your rear guards and look for abilities that trigger powerful effects. Prioritize cards that can increase your power by 10, 0, 0, 0, or allow you to draw 2 additional cards. Effective combinations will overwhelm your opponent, leading to a decisive win. Practice these sequences to make them second nature. Finally, executing the only way strategy requires careful play and decisive action. Always aim to maintain a healthy hand size, ideally 5 cards or more, to ensure you have options for guarding and attacking. Guard your Vanguard wisely, using shield values like 15, 0, 0, 0 to block critical attacks. When the moment is right, unleash your full combo for a game-ending push. This method ensures consistent, themed victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.